Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess. Today's video I'm doing a review on the Chi Chi Exotic Empress palette. The packaging looks something like that. Now I've had her now for quite a while. I love Chi Chi, I collect Chi Chi. It's a thing. It's just something I do because I do love the brand. This palette, it's not normally my usual color story that I collect, but you know, she's so pretty. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Now, something about this palette is that she's all matte. There's a variety of warm tones, some neutrals, so it's neutrals, warm tones. I think it's really pretty. Now, Chi Chi is an Australian brand. They do actually ship internationally from their website. In Australia, you can get them from Target and Myer, and they're often on sale. So that's always a good thing. And my hair is pissing me off. I had a shower, and now it's like, no, not wanting to behave. Anywho, I need some colour on my eyeballs. Let's do this. I've got a hair. I think I got it. I was inspired by that really pretty burgundy shade. And I do love the fact that this palette is all matte. They have two palettes that are matte. I do have the other one. Can't think of what it's called at the moment. I don't know. Last year Maya had like a huge sale where all their Chi Chi palettes were like $10 and some of their palettes were $50 at the time, and I'm like, I bought 10 of them, which is why I've got a big Chi Chi collection. But I mean, the mirror, they're good. I like them a lot. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm using all drugstore brushes. So going to start with that shade. Good pickup. Just through my crease as a transition shade. The things I like about Chi Chi eyeshadows is that they're very pigmented, non-chalky, but still easily available in Australia. Like, they're really, really good quality without having to spend a huge amount of money. Usually these eyeshadow palettes are about $30, I think full price, but you can get them on sale. I think you can see that compared to the other eyeball, looking quite smooth. And that's quite a light shade. Like, I'm quite fair skinned, so for that to come up on me, like, it's not too bad. It's blending out really easily. I gave myself a trim the other day and I wanted like a fringe, so I did that. So I'll show you when my hair's dried enough, like, to actually style it. But yeah, okay, I caught up with the other eye. I'm going to deepen that up with that shade. My husband just got home as well, so if you hear noises, that's fun for me. They blend out beautifully and they pick up really, really easy, and there's not even any kickback in the pan. So I've evened up those two eyes. I was originally going to go in with that deep burgundy, but now I'm feeling like a peach vibe. I'm going to go in with that shade. On camera it looks more red, but it's not. That's a beautiful shade. It's taking that type of fluffy brush. Back in with that peach shade, because I think I need a little bit more there. They're looking quite good. So I think, what shade next? Maybe that one. I like doing kind of a winged outward shape because I do have hooded eyes. Okay, I think they're looking pretty well blended. Actually quite impressed. Alrighty, so I think we are looking good. Going to add a darker lid color. That color there. Yeah, I like that. And then maybe on the outside corner, I'm going to add the deeper chocolate brown. So these eyeshadows are actually really pigmented. They're really pretty, all matte in this eyeshadow palette. They do have other formulas in other different palettes. I can do different videos with the ones that I have if you would like. This is the finished look. I think it came out quite well. I did end up using this highlighter palette from W7 in the inner corner of my eyes because I did want something a little bit shimmery just to brighten. So I used that gold right there. This is a $5 palette from Chemist Warehouse. I love it. And I used for my blush because I wanted a kind of a monochrome look. It's the Napoleon Purtis blush in Coral. super cute. And for lips, I used the Ultra 3 lipstick. I can't read the shade because it's rubbed off, but I'll link everything down below. And then I put a different shade on top because I wanted, it was a bit too mauvey tone for my liking. So I put a little bit of that on top just so kind of it's more cohesive. But yeah, I actually really love this palette. It's actually quite a unique peachy palette, I think, because it's got the reds as well. I'll insert swatches. But yeah, let me know if you're going to pick up anything from Chi Chi, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.